Let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
As with most matches here at Michiana, quick shots already going up across both sides of the field. Looks like the red and blue alliance is pretty much neck and neck, both sending up 3 shots from close off Royal Society and Create the Future for each alliance, both of them playing the near field. Looks like each alliance has 1 far field robot, both of which appear to have halted their autonomouses for the time being. Some final shots off Royal Society, going back for maybe one last volley as we move on towards the end of the autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
All tied up at 32 points here in this match. Both alliances now working quickly to try and raise their own scores, loading up artifacts and pulling back to do just that. Red Alliance starting to grow a lead, but Blue sends out some shots to try and close it in. Looks like both Blue Alliance members now playing the near field. 11-4-09, Kraken Coders out in Blue's home launch zone, swinging right back through, making their way through Create the Future to line up some shots for Blue. 10-6-1-5, Jefferson Psy Dogs carrying fuel back, lining up with their partner, Create the Future. Create the Future now heading back to the Red Alliance loading zone, getting 3 artifacts on board, heading back to their close launch zone, 1, 2, 3, all purples, rolling right on down. Looks like 2 of those will match the motif. 13 points right there to the Red Alliance. 91-62 is Blue Alliance's lead with 26 artifacts up so far. We'll see how these continue to shake out as artifacts roll on down to the ramp for Blue, building up some points for this Blue Alliance. 11-4-09, Kraken Coders out of Minnesota. They just released their gate, setting them out as now Jefferson Psy Dogs of Red picks them off from that secret tunnel. Blue Alliance sending up 2 back-to-back volleys of artifacts into that goal, continuing to bring the Blue Alliance's lead out, 112-74. We're now approaching 30 seconds left to go, so the game is starting to wind down. Team still working at full speed with this scoring ability here in match 82. Endgame whistle approaches in just a few seconds. Seems like artifacts are still the name of the game for now. Teams flying around the field, but looks like Jefferson Psy Dogs becoming the first to go for endgame. On the Blue Alliance, Royal Society going all the way up. We'll see if their partner can get underneath for a full park. We might have the elusive double full due to this elevation out of Royal Society as time expires.
2. We got the winner, Blue Alliance. 170 to 120. And now, let's get another score.